Saving money doesn't always mean giving up the things you love. It's about spending smarter. Here are 10 practical ways to keep over $200 in your pocket this month. Try a few of these and watch the savings add up. And let me know in the comments what you do to save money. 1. The toilet paper trick. Buying in bulk saves, but try using a bidet. It saves even more. It cuts your toilet paper use. It's healthier and pays for itself quickly. Remember the toilet paper scare? It won't be a problem with a bidet. 2. Senior discounts. If you're 55 or older, always ask for the discount. Stores and restaurants often won't mention it unless you ask. The savings range at times is from 10 to 25%. Most of the time, it definitely covers the sales tax and tip entirely. 3. Did you know a credit card can make you money? Stop giving your money away to the banks with interest and on other fees. Use your card for all your normal buying power, then pay it off at month's end or whenever you pay bills. Those rewards build up fast. I save mine and don't use them until Christmas, which makes for a free holiday. Alternatively, you can use them for birthday gifts and other special occasions. 4. Avoid debt. Use credit cards wisely. Pay them off monthly and never carry interest. You can collect rewards. It's like getting free money. This way, the credit card company pays you instead. Change to smart spending, not more spending. 5. Shop online for groceries. Plan meals for the week, then order online and pick them up for free. This avoids impulse buys from those flashy in-store displays. Plus, it makes it easier to stick to your menu grocery list. You'll save both money and time. 6. Cut junk food and processed snacks and takeout. You can save $200 in 30 days just on this trick. Cooking real food at home is healthier, more filling, and much cheaper. 7. Skip eating out. Just one restaurant meal often costs what it takes to cook 3 meals at home. Plus, once you add in that 18 to 20% tip, you're blowing your $200 savings goal this month fast. Cooking at home allows you to reach the $200 savings goal this month. 8. Wash your own car. Professional washes can cost $25 or more each week. Do it yourself, and you could save up to $100 or more a month easily. Plus, you get your exercise in too. 9. Rethink drinks. Sugary sodas and bottled drinks drain both wallets and waistlines. Switch to lemon water, green tea, or sparkling fruit water. All are better for you and way cheaper. 10. Coffee house savings. We all know this one, but it's a biggie. Skip the daily coffee shop run and make your brew at home. Want that cafe vibe? Grab some paper cups with lids or invest in a reusable travel mug. Either way, you'll save money fast. The time you waste in long lines, not getting up earlier, and having your coffee ready to go when you head out the door. And the number one reason is overpriced coffee. All those small savings add up to big bucks by the end of the month. Just with this tip, you just might make your $200 by month's end. But the best part? It actually tastes better. You know it's true. Personally, I've never found a coffee shop that makes a straight-up black coffee as good as what I brew at home. Bonus, track your wins. Write down what you saved each week. Seeing the total add up keeps you motivated to keep going. There you go. Easy steps that can save you over $200 this month and even more without feeling deprived. Which one will you try first? Drop your favorite money-saving hack in the comments. See you in the next video.